if you want to insert a SIM card into Samsung Galaxy S26, in that case we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone, and over here we should be able to find the SIM tray. So this is where we need to insert our SIM card or SIM cards. Now in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone, you need to use the eject tool that you can find, for example, inside the box of the phone. We're gonna put this eject tool into this SIM tray hole that we have in this place. There we go. And then use a little bit of force and push it into the phone with just a bit of pressure, of course, or force, in order to slightly pop out the SIM tray, just like that. Then you can use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. And there we go. In my case, I have dual SIM, so we can insert two physical SIM cards. We just need to match the shape of the SIM cards and just insert it properly. There we go, simple as that. However, you want to be careful, and you probably want to keep holding the SIM if you, for example, want to insert another one, because these SIM card slots are pretty loose, and you might easily lose or drop your SIM. So be careful with that. Once we have our SIM card or SIM cards inserted into the SIM tray, then we should be able to put it back into the phone. Just slide it in all the way. Make sure that the SIM tray does not stick out at all. If it doesn't want to go all the way in, just make sure that your SIM cards or SIM card is or are, of course, inserted properly. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.